What's up guys, it's Wubny here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you a BOLO item that not a lot of people know about. These might be a little more obscure to find, and a lot of people are scared to ship these items because they don't know the proper way to ship them. But I found a very effective and cost-friendly way on how to ship these items. And even though they're obscure, if you can find them for a good price, they're great money. What's the item you might be asking? It's a life vest. More specifically, an adult-sized life vest. Youth life vest might be a little easier to ship, but the money's not really there. So I recommend you looking for adult-sized life vests. I found mine personally from Dominic Papa, who's my papa. He said how he got his was he would go to estate sales, or he would just go to any sort of like liquidation area, and he found them semi-frequently for a decent price. That's how he found his. I wouldn't really know a good way to find these. Maybe if there is some sort of attraction near you involving water that needs life vests, if they're going out of business, or if they just upgraded, you can ask around. Maybe they'll have some used life vests. They won't be as pricey as a brand new one, obviously, but if you can get 20 of them for $15 a piece and you can sell them for $30, $40 used, that's great. That's great profit, and that's 1 or 2 listings of a quantity, which, you know, saves you a lot of headache. And shipping is easy, but it's a very obscure way to ship. And I'm not going to show you guys the process of me wrapping it up, but I can put a picture on screen, and I wanted to make a video on this soon, is throw it in a trash bag. And it doesn't have to be a contractor trash bag, those are expensive. I literally have great value trash bags, and I just double bag it. And I use it sort of like a bigger poly mailer, because as long as you bag it up, you tape it good, make sure there's no rips, and you make sure that it's a solid item. Like, I wouldn't ship anything that has parts in it, but something like a life vest, or say for example you have an item that that the box condition matters to an extent. Wrap it in bubble wrap instead of putting it in another box, adding another couple ounces. Just throw it in a bag, double bag it with a trash bag, and it works. I'll make a video on that down the road. You guys saw a picture on screen, or I'll even put it up again for you. It's the item in the middle, the bigger item that's shaped like a life vest, like a square. That's how I shipped it, and I got positive feedback on that transaction. Didn't have any complaints. I have shipped over 20-30 items in trash bags because I very rarely do it if I don't need to, and I haven't had a single complaint yet. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I'll be wearing the same outfit for a few videos, but it is what it is. Thanks for watching, and keep flipping.
They all trying to be around, now I'm winning. I make it hits, but I'm still independent. Lil homie, I've been low-key chillin'. Tell your mom when I'm back, I'll be in it. I got a baddie in the West End, brought a best friend, got a bag on my left wrist. Fucking next bitch, had to go. Pull up in a new wig, got them clueless on my new shit. I'ma have to move on the low. Yeah, I know that they be fucking with a flow.